Grocery shopping. Let's start with vegetables. We need some fresh vegetables. Do you like carrots? Yes, I like carrots. Carrots are good for your eyes. Let's buy some carrots. Good idea. We also need tomatoes. Do you like tomatoes? Yes, I like tomatoes. Tomatoes are good for salads. Let's buy some tomatoes. What about cucumbers? Do you like cucumbers? Yes, I like cucumbers. Cucumbers are fresh and crunchy. Let's buy some cucumbers. Carrots, salad, tomatoes, vegetables. I like, I like, I like. Let's, let's, let's. Good idea, good idea, good idea. Buy, buy, buy. Fresh, fresh, fresh. Crunchy, crunchy, crunchy. Ice, ice, ice. Now let's go to the fruit section. I love apples. Do you like apples? Yes, I like apples. Apples are sweet and healthy. Let's buy some apples. What about bananas? Bananas are good for breakfast. Do you like bananas? Yes, I like bananas. Bananas give you energy. Let's buy some bananas. Do you like oranges? Oranges have a lot of vitamin C. Yes, I like oranges. Oranges are juicy and tasty. Let's buy some oranges. Apple, apples. Banana, bananas. Orange, oranges. Fruit section, fruit section, fruit section. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Healthy, healthy, healthy. Breakfast, breakfast, breakfast. Juicy, juicy, juicy. Tasty, tasty, tasty. Now we need to buy some dairy products. We need milk. Do you drink milk? Yes, I drink milk every day. Milk is good for your bones. Let's buy some milk. We also need cheese. Do you like cheese? Yes, I like cheese. Cheese is good for sandwiches. Let's buy some cheese. What about yogurt? Yogurt is healthy and delicious. Yes, I like yogurt. Yogurt is good for your digestion. Let's buy some yogurt. Milk, sandwich, cheese, yogurt. Dairy products, dairy products, dairy products. Every day, every day, every day. Bones, bones, bones. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Digestion, digestion, digestion. Now let's go to the bakery section. I want to buy some bread. Do you like bread? Yes, I like bread. Bread is soft and tasty. Let's buy some bread. What about croissants? Do you like croissants? Yes, I like croissants. Croissants are buttery and flaky. Let's buy some croissants. Let's buy some eggs too. Eggs are good for breakfast. Yes, I like eggs. Eggs are full of proteins. Let's buy some eggs. Now, let's go to the meat section. Do you like chicken? Bread, eggs, croissants, chicken. Bakery section. Bakery section. Bakery section. Butter, butter, butter. Protein, protein, protein. Meat, meat, meat. Yes, I like chicken. Chicken is tasty and healthy. Let's buy some chicken. What about fish? Do you like fish? Yes, I like fish. Fish is good for your brain. Let's buy some fish. Do you like beef? Beef is good for making burgers. Yes, I like beef. Beef is rich in iron. Let's buy some beef. Now, let's buy some rice. Rice is a good side dish. Yes, I like rice. Rice goes well with many dishes. Let's buy some rice. Fish, rice, beef, chicken. Rich, rich, rich. Iron, iron, iron. Side dish, side dish, side dish. What about pasta? Do you like pasta? Yes, I like pasta. Pasta is easy to cook. Let's buy some pasta. Now, we need some snacks. Do you like chips? Yes, I like chips. Chips are crispy and salty. Let's buy some chips. What about chocolate? Do you like chocolate? Yes, I love chocolate. Chocolate is sweet and delicious. Let's buy some chocolate. Do you like biscuits? Pasta, chips, chocolate, biscuits. Easy, easy, easy. Cook, cook, cook. Yes, I like biscuits. Biscuits are good for tea. Let's buy some biscuits. Now, let's buy some drinks. Do you like juice? Yes, I like juice. Juice is refreshing. Let's buy some juice. What about soda? Do you like soda? Yes, I like soda. But soda has a lot of sugar. Let's buy one bottle. Now, let's check our list. We have vegetables, fruit, dairy, products, meat, bread, rice, pasta, snacks, and drinks. Yes, we have everything we need. Let's go to the cashier. Soda, sugar, snacks, drinks, tea, 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 juice, 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 bottle, 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 check, check, check. Everything, everything, everything. Cashier, cashier, cashier. Need, need, need. Hello. Did you find everything you were looking for? Yes, thank you. Do you have a membership card? No, we don't have a membership card. That's okay. Your total is $45. Do you want to pay with cash or card? I will pay with my card. Here's your receipt. Have a great day. Thank you. Have a great day. Find, find, find. Looking for, looking for, looking for. Membership card, membership card, membership card. Total, total, total. Pay, pay, pay. Receipt, receipt, receipt. Have a great day. Have a great day. Have a great day.